everyone, I'm Yvonne and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to hop on here and just do a quick unboxing with you. I ordered some items online. I've never seen these items in person, so I'm really wanting to see how it looks like in person, to see if I'm going to keep the items or return them. I've seen them online, I've seen them on social media, not seen in person like I said, so I'm curious to open it up and see, and I wanted to do an honest unboxing with you all just so you can see my first initial reaction, my first thoughts on the items, and I'll find out if I really like it or if I'm thinking of returning the items. The first item is a bag that I've seen online and on social media. The thing with me is sometimes you can find a lot of things on social media especially, and I never want to just jump on it and just buy that item, because I've learned through the years that sometimes you buy the item and you don't like it, and sometimes you keep it and you can't return it and you sell it for a lot less than what you paid for it. So really I'm at the point where if I see something, I try to really do my research. Like I go online, I go on YouTube to look at the videos that other people have shared on the items. I really take some time to really watch the item to see if it's something that I still like months down the line, unless if it's something that will sell out. But there are very few things like that. Maybe like some Chanel handbags that come in and sometimes they sell out, but most of the things will still be in stock. Even if they sell out, they'll probably come back in stock. So I just wanted to share with you all some of the stuff that I got. It's just 2 items. I'm excited about them. I hope when I see them I like them as much as I think I do. So just watch with me and see, and tell me your thoughts. Tell me if you've seen these items and what you think of them. So it came in this box. I ordered it from I think it's Selfridges. If I'm not mistaken, it's based out of the United Kingdom, and I ordered it from there, but they have other places that you can get it from. You can even get it from the website itself, and they were out of the color that I wanted, so I went ahead and found it. I went ahead looking and I found it on Selfridges, but like I said, you can find it on other sites. Anyway, it came in this box, and DHL very fast got this item to me, I think like in 2 to 3 days. So here it is, another very big box. So let me go ahead and open it up with you. I have my scissors in hand already. So here, let's open it up. This is their box, their packaging when you open it up, how it looks like. Selfridges. And this is how this looks inside. Let's see what this is. This is their receipt. And this is the first item. It came wrapped up like this. And it's from Jacquemus. I think that's how you pronounce it. A lot of the times when I have like a foreign name or something, I usually try to go online to see how it's pronounced. I think it's Jacquemus, but yeah, this is the first box that the item is. So let's look and see. I think that's the sticker from the first item. And this is, it comes in a little bag. The first item comes in, and this is the first item, guys. It's a necklace from Jacquemus. Let me bring it closer so you can see. I really like it. It's bigger than I thought it would be. Here is a little, like a little handbag. I think it's from one of their bags. I think it's called the Chiquito handbag. So think this is what their bag looks like, and he made it into the design of the necklace. I think it's one of the popular bags. And then this is it. It has it's gold. I really like it. Not very heavy, but not flimsy. So this is, let's see how, opening the back so you can see the length of it. Pull it up and you can see. Really, really pretty. It has the Jacquemus right here. And this is how it looks. This is how long the necklace comes. I think it's a good length. I like the length. It's not too long and not too short. And this is the clasp, which it comes in, like so. I really like it. I'm not disappointed by this. See, I have a necklace on, but so here is the first item, guys. I really like it. What do you think? I have been buying more necklaces. I really like necklaces. I've been trying to buy more earrings too, but a lot of the times I have my hair down like I do right now, and I find that when I have necklaces on, when I have earrings on, you can hardly even see the earrings. So I don't wear a lot of statement earrings, although I'm trying to buy more statement earrings, just more slightly larger, not too large. It's just not my style, but either slightly larger earrings or slightly larger studs, because studs are some of my favorite styles of earrings. But necklaces, I tend to wear necklaces a lot. I like necklaces a lot more. So when I saw this, it was a no-brainer. I just really liked it and I wanted to get it, and I really like it. And the second item is, let's open up the second item in here, in a dust bag. Here's the dust bag. So this is the Selfridges, the store it came from, dust bag. And then I'm looking at that, and it has another dust bag from Jacquemus. So this is the other dust bag. I really like when they have dust bags, because you can store your bags in there, and especially when you travel, you get to you can just put them in the bags. You know that they're nice and secure in there, especially when you're packing a bunch of things. Like I tend to overpack usually, and so if I don't want maybe a pair of heels scratching a bag, or jewelry or something just rubbing on each other, I think dust bags are great. And sometimes I use them for other purposes. I can put some other things in here too. So this is the second item. It's a popular one. The style, maybe not so popular, but it's a popular item. It comes wrapped up nicely. You can see the color. Here it is, guys. I dropped something. I think it's just a piece of paper. So here's the bag I got. Let's look at it. I love it. I love what I'm seeing so far. I really, really like the top handle. Let me bring it up close so you can see. It's a pretty yellow. I don't know if the light is reflecting it well, but it's a really pretty yellow color. And it has, like I said, the top handle right here. It has a little back pocket right here, which can fit a card. And then let me open it up right here. It has a snap, and it's pretty easy to open, just like so. And let's see what's inside. Okay, and this is the interior. So you can see there's another opening right here where you can put more cards in there. And you know, I was just thinking where I thought it had it does have another handle, so I was thinking, do I have it somewhere? But I felt something heavy, so here it is. It's one of the reasons why I like this bag a lot. I like that it had the top handle as well as a longer strap. So this is the longer strap. Let me open it up. So here it is. And I'll go ahead and place it on the bag so you can see exactly how it looks. And the other side. Okay, so here it is with the longer strap, and the longer strap has an adjustable area right here, so you can adjust it easily. So let me make it a little bit longer and try it on so you can see. I'm approximately around 5'8", 5'9", so I'm fairly tall, so you can see how it falls on me. Let's stand. By the way, I'm filming if you hear my kids in the background. They're trying to get me to open up the door, and I'm just telling them, give me a few minutes, guys. Anyway, so this is how it falls. So I really like it. I like the length of it. I like that it's not too small, not too big. I think it's showing up a little bit neon from what I'm seeing, but it's really just yellow. It's a pretty yellow color. So look, that's how it looks. So guys, this is the one of the Jacquemus. I wanted to say Jacquemus. Jacquemus bags. This is called the Le Grand Bambino. Le Grand Bambino. I think there's another Bambino, but that's a different style. And that's a little bit smaller. This is a little bit bigger. It's not too big, but I think it's just a good size. A little too small. I just thought not for me. So guys, this is the bag. I really like it. What do you think? It's not heavy. It's certainly not flimsy. It has a good weight to it, but not heavy. And it's leather. Here it is. Okay guys, so at some point I'll probably share what fits in the bag. I wanted to do that, but I just realized that I don't have all the items that I usually carry in my bag, so I'll do that at some other point. But oh yes, and of course it has his name right here, the designer's name right there. But yeah, tell me what you think of the bag. I like it. I think I'm going to keep it. I don't see why not. I was going between this color and a green. I think I'll get this in the yellow and keep it, and I think I'll just have to find another green bag for another style that I like. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on the bag, if you have any specific questions on this bag so I can answer for you, and I will definitely let you know what fits in it at some point. But thank you for watching, and here are the two items I got today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.